complete. Sure. And this is the main contact. ABB breaker from Italy, vd4 bar 12.625. 12 is voltage rating and 630 ampere and 25 kA, and this is the inside view of vd4 from ABB. This is the locking magnet RLE1. This is closing coil, under voltage coil, and that is the opening coil. This is push on button, push off button, and this is the spring charging here, and that is the closing coil, and this is the opening coil, and this is the pole, and this is the connecting arm. Good. Hello. Happy pumps করে নিচে চাপ মানে হ্যাঁ গুড। কিছু একটা মিস গেছে, চাপটা ধরেন হয় নাই চাপ। পারফেক্ট। এখন আমরা and this the working principle of this key is like now the push button is unavailable. You cannot push anything after the rotation of 90 degree. You can push it. Now the push button is working, but you have to if you want to rotate it again the previous position, then you have to push the push button, then you can rotate. Like this. This is a withdrawable type circuit breaker. This is the withdrawable trolley, and whenever you want to insert that rotary handle, you have to maintain this position, because whenever it is here you cannot rotate it.